Welcome to my channel Sankhya Tattva. I'm Momita Banerjee, numerologist and life coach. Today I'm going to talk about the driver number 3, or which is popularly known as Mulang 3. Their characteristic, their strength, weaknesses, their profession, and so on. So these people are born on 3rd, 12th, 21st, or 30th of any month. Then your driver number will be 3 or Mulang will be 3. These people are ocean of knowledge. These people have creativity. These people have visualization. If you remember, I have mentioned that this number is ruled by the planet called Jupiter, and this Jupiter planet is the biggest planet in the solar system. So naturally, these people are they think big, they do big, they want to do big in life. They are ocean of knowledge. That means you can talk to them about anything and everything, and if you get into any argument with them, then you have it. They won't leave you. So they are basically having a lot of knowledge. They are ocean of knowledge, it is called. But here is a secret. The people who are born on 3rd, born on 12th, 21st, 30th, everybody's character will be a little bit of different. Everybody's life will be a little bit of different. Let's say driver number 3 coming from 12th. The people who are born on 12th, they will be very special people, because that's being considered as the best number among all these 4 dates. So why? Because one is coming from one is representing sun, which is leadership. 2 is representing moon, which is intuition, and combining 1 and 2 giving you 3, which is ocean of knowledge. So think about it. People who's having 1, 2, 3, all of them in the birth chart, nobody can stop them. They can do anything and everything. And Swami Vivekananda is born on 12th, and we all know he was ocean of knowledge, and his vision was really big, and he did really big thing in his life. So you watch and check around you. If somebody is born on 12th, that person has to do very good in life or very big in life. In spite of doing big or thinking big in life, there are they are very family oriented people, in spite of apart from having knowledge. So their first priority is knowledge, and the second priority is family. But if these people start cheating or start doing betraying in their business or with their business partners, they may face a fall in life, because it's a very sacred number. So if you can live up to this number, live up to it, the characteristic or the mool mantra, what is the secret, which is to do good or too big, then they will have fall in life, which means they can do very good to business, but if they cheat with their business partners, or if they snatch anything which is rightfully owning by or belongs to somebody else, then karma will not forgive them. So go back and check if somebody is around who's not having a very good life or not doing very good in business, in spite of having number 3 or Mulang 3 or driver number 3, then it must be coming from their karma. One more observation. If you're having multiple 3s in your birth chart, let's say it's coming from driver, conductor, or month, that means you're born on March, and driver 3, conductor 3, basically multiple 3s in birth chart, especially for a girl child, their marriages are a little bit of struggling in first 3 years. And it has also been observed that in apart from having multiple 3s in the birth chart, if the girl child has the name starts with S, then also they will have the problem in the marriages for first 3 years. After that, it can be a smooth sailing, but why take chances if your child is about to born and you see that they will be born or having the driver number or conductor number 3, then avoid keeping the names on S. Then it would be better for them. They will have a lot of ups and downs in their lives. Otherwise, they are they can do very good in business, in life. They will do big things. They have wisdom, they have knowledge. They are meant for all lavish things in life. Now comes career. What kind of career these people should choose? I would say these people have naturally knack for business. And initially, when they are child, when they are very young, I would request the parents to continue or to pursue their study as much as they want, because their income is going to come from the knowledge. They can do graduation, post graduation, PhD, master, whatever they want to. They can do very good in studies. They can either do very good in studies, they can do worst in studies. So remember that if your child is born on number 3, any of these dates, you can let them pursue their knowledge seeking journey, which is education. Apart from that, as I've mentioned, they can do very good business. They can be a very good businessman because they have that visualization power, they have that creativity. So if you're a business owner and if your employee, one of your employee is having driver number 3, then I would suggest then put him or her into business planning. You can put him or her under creative job, like a marketing or a digital marketing kind of a thing. So they can take your business to the next level. And apart from this, if this Mulank number 3 is wanting to do any healing kind of business, any especially doctor, they can be very good doctors. They have this inborn ability to heal people because they have a lot of knowledge, so they want to utilize their knowledge for this sake of human sacred activity, which is healing. One more thing you have to remember, God has given you this power of knowledge. So whenever you speak, mark your words, check your words before speaking. You should not misutilize your word power. So always you should be careful while talking or speaking. Otherwise, they can do a lot of. They can be a very good teacher also, because again they have got a lot of knowledge. They want to share their knowledge. That's all about Mulank 3 or driver number 3. Next week or in my next video, I'll talk about some other number. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Namaste.